welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be the first vlog that I'm gonna be posting because I've just been posting like regular videos, but this is gonna be a vlog. We're going to the beach. Okay, so we came to El Super for bolillos because we're gonna make tortas at the beach, and now we're gonna get some food here too. It's our turn to order. And I don't know what to get. Loki the Galo would hit. Okay, I think I'm gonna get 2 tacos and a side of beans and rice. The rice looks alright, but this looks good. I'm gonna get half mango and half piña. I low-key wanted to mix with sandía, but I don't know. I feel like this would be good. Okay, we got our food. What did you think about my water?
I mean, it's alright. I mean, it feels healthy.
Does it feel refreshing?
Bro, low-key, I need to buy a water bottle right here. Don't let me forget.
Okay.
I got the pinkity drinkity.
Pinkity drinkity. How's yours?
Pinkity and drinkity.
Is it like milky? Yeah, it is. That's why I didn't want it, because I want something like refreshing.
It's full with sugar.
Now we're gonna stop for some liquor.
And an aux cord.
And an aux cord, because my aux cord broke. Let's go. Okay, so we ended up getting...
Alright guys, so we ended up getting the aux cord.
We got B-Bucks.
Just another react.
Okay, update guys. We still need like an hour and 40 minutes to go. We made a little stop because this man was getting dehydrated. I'm hot as hell. Like, this big water bottle is cold, and normally I'd be like, right now it feels good. Oh, that feels good. It's so hot, guys. Today, perfect day to go to the beach, I guess.
We stuck together. You must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Do some magic in
Okay, we finally made it. We're gonna go check out a spot, and then if we like it, then we'll stay there. Guys, how does my lips look? If my lips look kind of weird, it's because I did my lips in the car. I feel like I overlined them too much. I don't know. I can't see, so I guess we'll see. This is this. How gorgeous.
Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you. Without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on.
This is the wagon's looking like. Look at this man with his little Crayola and his little camera right there. I feel like today is gonna be a good. Look at my big old glasses, guys. It's giving Y2K or no? Whoa, it is so bright. So beautiful. I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven to get some ice because we bought B-Boxes, but they're pretty warm now. So they need to be put in ice. made it to 7-Eleven, but I'm here on freaking stroller duties. Gotta put the stroller to sleep. Oh my god, this is heavy, low-key. But yeah, it's so beautiful. Wow. Should be fun. What did you guys get? Just a cups of ice?
$5.
$5?
For just the cups?
Well, shit. $5. This is the setup.
Ready? Alright, ready, Shelton? I like to drink with Carla because Carla is my mate. I like to drink with Carla because she gets it done in 10, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I like to drink with the Lions. The Lions is our mate. I like to drink with the Lions because he gets it down in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
God! Damn, you guys count so
Because I forgot midway.
Oh my god.
Okay, so apparently I'm not drinking, you know. I filled it up again with another beatbox.
30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. Sheldon's going hella fast. 26, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 6. Go ready. 17, 18, 16, 17, 18, 16, 14. Alright, restart. 16. Ready? 16, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Come on. 5. You're almost there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Where'd you get to? To the middle of the G. See? How do I know you so well? How do I know you so well? You got
under the G.
Bro, I said 10, 9, 8, 10, 11.
You got to the middle of the G.
I got below the G.
Alright, now you gotta get to...
Alright. Okay, you guys, update. It is 5:48. It's about to be 6, and I am feeling the freaking beatbox. Guys, is it kind of ghetto to be drinking beatboxes at the beach? You know what? It doesn't really matter because, hello, we're only young ones, and one day we're gonna be out here with children to take care of and dogs to take care of, and it's about just living in the moment and having fun. That is exactly what we're doing, especially because I literally start work. Whoa, why is the lights on me? Hello?
How you doing?
Good. Why are you calling me?
Because I miss you.
I missed you too. Where are you guys at?
I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you.